I don't know what's going on. No idea. No idea. Literally no clue. I just want to, no clue what's going on. Whoops, sorry. So we're on the corner of Wilshire Boulevard and Beverly Drive. Wilshire Boulevard and Beverly Drive. I saw an officer, looked like pull a gun out, aim it at him. And this gentleman with the legs out got on the ground. And yeah. Yeah, I mean, in the video before, it looked like they had a gun pointed. I know people were watching my live. I'm not sure if you saw my live. It looked like they had a gun, or maybe, it looked like the gun, I don't know. We're gonna see how this ends in Beverly Hills. Oh my God, this was the wrong guy. Sir! Sir! That's the wrong guy. This is the wrong guy. They just searched all his stuff. This is the wrong guy. This is the wrong guy. Hey, what happened?
I got a radio call.
Wrong guy though.
Well, we got another one down to the other one. You're not filming the other one.
What one?
There's one down there too.
And what's that?
Man with a knife.
So that's the right guy? They have the right guy down there? Oh man.
So we got another one stacked down there. You can go film.
I will go film it next, but I'm gonna make sure he's all right because he's just been put in handcuffs by Officer Downs and by. What's your name, sir?
368.
No, it says what's your name?
368, my bad.
I thought though when it's not a protest, you have to identify yourself. They said that 2 weeks ago, right? 368? The worst part is I'm gonna get your name and share it on social media. And I'd rather just know your name now, you know? You don't want to share your name, sir? Just 368 or 03209.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Hold on. Now let me talk to him. Hey, sir. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm just a random dude. I'm on live stream and I saw them. I think they pointed a gun at you.
No.
They didn't? You're good though?
Yeah.
Alright. I just wanted to make sure you were alright. I wasn't sure.
Thank you. If I hadn't been, there's nothing you could have done anyway.
Well, sometimes videoing them gets them to stop.
Sometimes that.
But that you were just the wrong guy, right?
Yeah.
Did they ask you? They didn't ask you anything, huh?
They asked me and stuff.
They were cool?
Yeah, it was just someone else that came out of the same direction I did.
Alright. Be safe, bro.
Likewise.
Yeah. Shit, bro. Do you see what I'm talking about? We can't look at people that are in handcuffs. We gotta stop looking at people that are in handcuffs and talking to the police that they've done something wrong. You know, that guy, I'm gonna replay the video. I think they might have pointed something at him, all right? And then you'll see he's up against the wall. All this shit's laid out. It's so easy to drive by, to live in Beverly Hills, shop in Beverly Hills, and think like, damn, look, good job, cops. You got him, thank you. No. That dude, I don't know. I believe that guy was still in shock. I'm like, are you good? He's like, yeah.